Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. What up? It's your man Boss Gang VIP back with another weekly money watch. Last week was amazing. The turbulence has been crazy. The volatility has been outrageous, but yet we find a way to navigate. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can get the updates as soon as they drop. Let's get into it. This week, update for the Roth portfolio. Everything is going absolutely according to plan. We got some discounts, so we definitely wanted to take advantage of those. I will be adding to the portfolio this week, so be on the lookout for the update for that. Economics calendar for the week. Monday, U.S. leading economic indicators. You got some Fed speakers on Tuesday barking. Wednesday, new home sales, Fed beige book, lots of Fed speakers. Thursday, initial jobless claims, durable goods, existing home sales, more Fed speakers. And then Friday, we have consumer sentiment, Monday, April 28th. Nothing scheduled. Hope you guys enjoyed the week. And I know I did. I always enjoy when I get some extra time off. I was out and about, and it was definitely busy outside. So, what does the almanac say? Well, the day after Easter has been the second worst post holiday. That doesn't mean anything is bad, but typically things are pretty bullish after holidays. So we'll see how that goes this time. More times than not, the market likes to go up. Tuesday and Wednesday are historically bullish days, and Thursday ends the best 6 months of the year historically. Friday is overall bullish for the Dow, somewhat sideways for the S&P overall, and Nasdaq tends to be negative most times. What are we looking at for this week? Let's get into the setups. APA Apache 212 5 minute. Yes, a 5 minute entry above $16 and 15 cents. Let's see if we get that update. Dividend 25 cents per share, April 22nd, and earnings May 7th after market. There we go. Apache 212. First target we're looking at is around 17 and some change. And then if it wants to get bullish, next stop around 1960. And then we'll just see where we go from there. BBY. Actually got a 1 minute entry on this. 212, 1 minute above 62.03. Finished strong. It was strong last session. 3.92%. We'll see if we get the push up this week. First stop we're looking at is around $68, and then going forward over some time. Next stop we'd be looking at about $81 on BBY. That'd be pretty crazy. Let's see if we can finish out the month strong. Etsy, before I get into that, April 30th, earnings before market. So be on the lookout for that. We have a 5 minute setup on Etsy as well. That is a 3125 minute above $44.27. You notice this setup, it has this inside week, which is pretty decent on Etsy. What else did I want to point out? Let's see, 3-day on Etsy. Let's check out the 3-day charts. That's a 2-day. That hammer on the 2-day. 3-day, you got that double inside 3-day. You got that monthly broad information. We want to see if that can break back inside. BBB or BBY has that double inside 3-day. And then APA had that 2-1-2 3-day above the monthly broad information. Let's see where we go from here. Hopefully this helps you guys out. If you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, or anything, make sure to put those in the comments below. If you guys get any wins, I'd definitely like to hear about those. With that being said, this is your man, Boss Game VIP, with the weekly money watch. Catch up with you guys next time. I'm out. Peace.